Hey everyone. So we're in lesson 8, level 4, choosing your own adventure, manipulating images with different kinds of filtering techniques. So let's do Gaussian blur. So I did this and I had a lot of fun with this. And in fact, my program is still here. So I was starting to tinker with these values. And when I run it, it actually works pretty good. I mean, it blurs the image, and after 4 seconds, this image is going to be blurred. And there it is. So it's actually doing, like, I blurred the image. I was pretty happy with this. And but then when I ran the test, so here's my test, everything failed. And I understand it, but I'm thinking, wait a minute, it says, I think I'm supposed to call the calc weighted red, calc weighted green, calc weighted blue. And I'm going, wait a minute. Wait a minute. So, oh, I scrolled down. There's a calc weighted red, which takes a pixel array and a row and a column. And so, and there's a weighted green, and then there's a weighted blue, and that returns the integer that I'm supposed to use. So instead of me doing this integer up here, what I want to do is it will do this for me. So I didn't need this stuff. But I think I will keep this stuff. So I'm going to go my new, hold on, someone just came in. All right, sorry about that. So I think what I need to do is I need to assign new red to the calc weighted red. This takes the pixel array. So this is going to take the my pix, and it's going to be at the row and at the column. And so I literally am going to do this for the green. I guess I should probably put in the semicolon, shouldn't I? So I'm just going to copy this and paste this. I hope this works now. And I'll change the words there too. So red, calc weighted green, and calc weighted blue. All right. And then I think what I need to do is I need to, I want this pix. So let me go here. So I want, this is going to be a pixel object, all right? This pix is equal to the my pix at the current row and the current column. And then what I'm doing is I'm setting the red equal to the new red, which is from the calculated weight. And let me make sure I did this calculated weight thing correctly, because it takes a pixel, the pixel array, which is my pix, takes the row and takes the column. And all three of them work the same way. And then, so what I need to do is I just need to take my pix and set it equal to that new red color. So this should do the trick. And in the Theater Runner class, I created a new blur image object called My Image, and I used Star Wars. I could probably change this to My Eye to make it clear. And then I use the images draw image object to draw my eye. And then I paused 4 seconds, and then I applied the apply blur method to my eye, and then I'm going to draw it again. So let's see what happens. Morning, Coach Dixon. I'm just making videos, man, making videos. And then, so calc weighted blue. I wonder if I spelled something wrong, because it's all the same thing, all the same thing. So I wonder, let's go back and look at the calc weighted blue. So the calc I think I spelled it incorrectly. No, I didn't. Oh yeah, I probably spelled it incorrectly. Isn't there an H in there? There's an H after the G. I'm not a very good speller. All right, let's try this again. An out of bounds exception. How am I hitting an out of bounds exception? Oh, ooh. I don't think I need to start at 1. I think I can start at 0. So that's probably what I did. I need to start it because when I did this originally, I started at 1 because I was doing all the calculations myself. I didn't know there was a calculated weight method. So I think this should work. Let's try this again. No, once again it didn't work. So I keep hitting an exception. I don't know where I'm hitting that exception at. And so let's see. Takes the row and the column. Row, column, my picks. I spelled it correctly this time. Let's see where it... Oh, I'm in theater runner class. Is that where I am? Calculate. So new red, calculated weight, row, column, row, column, row, column. That's working okay. I think the problem is here. I don't think it likes that -1. So I wonder if I do need, I'm going to try this again. I wonder if I do need to start this at 1 because I don't think I wonder what the instructions say. I wonder if I should start this at 1. All right, let me look at this a little bit more. So I'm going to pause this because I can do this on with the video paused. Let me explore this a little bit more and see what's going on. Okay, it didn't take much more, so I think I figured out what I needed to do. So I do want to start that at 1, but I don't want to go all the way up to the length. I need to stop a little bit short the way that works. And that is not clear in here at all. That is not clear. But I think if I go down here and look at all of my methods, there's a column plus. I probably should have thought about that. So I didn't see, all I was looking at is minuses, which is why I wanted to start at 1, but I noticed there's some pluses, like row +1. So I can't go all the way to the end of the row. I need to stop 1 short. So what I did is I just changed that, my pix.length and my pix_row.length, and I subtracted 1 from it. So let's see if this works now. And in 4 seconds, it should change. I don't know. I think it blurred a little bit, but I like my blur much better. All right, nice little problem, but you can, let's see if the test runs, because that's what got me on this, is I did this without referring to that method. So now it's all working, but maybe you want to try this without, like I did before, just do the weighted averages yourself, crunch through it, and you can probably get some really good blurring images. I mean, I like that blur, but it's nothing fancy. So anyway, on to the next one.